Your tomatoes, cucumbers, and peppers are suffocating in this heat, but one simple trick can save them. During the height of summer, especially in July when the days are long and temperatures often climb past 30 degrees Celsius, even the healthiest plants in your garden begin to feel the pressure. Despite regular watering and attentive care, extreme heat takes its toll. It slows down flowering, reduces fruit development, and limits the final harvest size. This is especially noticeable with tomatoes, cucumbers, and peppers, which are in a critical phase of their growth at this time. When the weather is this intense, your plants need more than just water. But instead of turning to harsh chemical fertilizers, it's far better to offer them a gentle, nourishing boost made from natural ingredients. These types of tonics won't overwhelm the plants, but will still deliver what they need. If your soil is on the poor side, a slightly more concentrated feed every 10 to 15 days can make a world of difference. Today, I'll show you how to make a simple but powerful mixture at home that does just that. Start by taking 300 milliliters of water and stirring in a tablespoon of wood ash. This ingredient is the heart of this recipe, rich in potassium, calcium, and phosphorus, precisely the minerals your plants are craving during the peak of summer. Potassium plays a vital role in fruit development and ripening, while calcium helps prevent blossom end rot, a common issue in tomatoes and peppers. Next, pour in 100 milliliters of whey. It helps unlock the nutrients in the ash, making them easier for your plants to absorb. If you don't have whey on hand, a diluted splash of vinegar or a touch of citric acid can work as substitutes. To finish, add half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon or garlic powder. Cinnamon brings powerful antifungal benefits to the mix, offering protection against fungal threats like mildew and blight. Its scent and natural compounds also help repel insects like ants and aphids. Sprinkling some around the base of the plant can even prevent stem rot and stop infections from spreading through the soil. Let this blend rest for a full day. After that, strain it well and top it up with another 2 liters of water. Water your plants with the solution every 10 days, using about 300 milliliters per plant for best results. It's especially effective for tomatoes, cucumbers, and peppers, but other vegetables will benefit too. This natural formula encourages larger, healthier fruit, strengthens the plants, and prolongs their productivity, all without a single drop of synthetic chemicals. Be sure to check out our next video on screen for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.